Welcome to the Casual Comfort channel where you will learn a lot of interesting and useful things for yourself.
Who said dresses are only for warm weather? If you've been putting away your dresses every winter, it's time to rethink your wardrobe strategy. Dresses can absolutely be a part of your winter look, and with the right styling, you can create outfits that are not only chic but also cozy and practical. From layering techniques to the best accessories, I'll show you how to transform your favorite summer dresses into stunning winter ensembles. So get ready to redefine your winter style and show off those dresses all year long. The secret to wearing dresses in the winter starts with smart layering. Think of your dress as the centerpiece of your outfit and build from there. Start with a thermal or turtleneck underneath your dress. This not only adds warmth but also gives a stylish touch. For an extra layer, add a chunky knit sweater over your dress for that cozy, layered look. Not only does this keep you warm, but it also creates a lovely contrast of textures, making your outfit more visually interesting. Another option is to pair a sleek, fitted blazer on top, perfect for a polished, office-appropriate look. The right tights or leggings can make all the difference when wearing dresses in winter. Wool or fleece-lined tights are a game changer. They provide an extra layer of warmth while still keeping your outfit sleek. For a more daring look, go for patterned tights. They can add a fun, stylish element to a simple dress. Leggings are another great option, especially when you need more insulation. Pairing black leggings with a sweater dress creates a chic, streamlined look that's perfect for any winter occasion. When it comes to winter footwear, boots are the perfect companion for dresses. Knee-high boots paired with a midi or maxi dress not only look incredibly stylish, but also keep your legs protected from the cold. Ankle boots work well with shorter dresses and can easily be styled with thick tights for added warmth. For those extra chilly days, opt for lined or insulated boots. They'll keep your feet cozy while adding a touch of winter flair to your outfit. If you're loving these styling tips, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the like button and leave a comment below with your favorite winter dress styling idea. I'd love to hear how you plan to rock dresses this winter season. A statement coat can elevate your winter dress look instantly. Opt for long, tailored coats or trendy puffer jackets, depending on the style of your dress. A belted wool coat can create a sophisticated silhouette when paired with a midi dress, while a leather jacket adds an edgy twist to a floral print dress. If you want to make a bold statement, try a faux fur coat. It's warm, luxurious, and perfect for transforming a simple dress into a winter showstopper. Accessories play a crucial role in winter styling. Scarves, hats, and gloves aren't just for warmth, they're also perfect for adding texture and personality to your outfit. A chunky knit scarf paired with a dress and coat creates a cozy, inviting look. Consider wearing a beret or beanie for a touch of Parisian chic. And of course, don't underestimate the power of a stylish belt. Cinching your dress with a belt can help define your waist and add an extra layer of polish to your winter ensemble. No matter how you choose to style your dress this winter, the most important element is confidence. Embrace your style, play around with layering, and don't be afraid to experiment with new looks. Dresses in winter offer endless possibilities, from elegant and sophisticated to fun and casual. So, whether you're heading to a holiday party or just meeting friends for coffee, step out feeling stylish and ready to take on the cold. And there you have it, proof that you don't need to sacrifice your favorite dresses when the temperature drops. With these tips, you can create endless winter-ready looks that are warm, stylish, and uniquely you. So next time you're reaching for that sweater and jeans combo, remember that your dresses are still in play. Go ahead and get creative. Your winter wardrobe just got a whole lot more exciting.